Okay, so this is our group's sprint 3, and here we go. Alright, so it's going to pull up the opening screen because no users have been registered yet. So I'm going to create a user that has no manager options. Now we're going to go back here. And as you can see, we now have some new panels. Here you can add and delete a driver. Here you can insert tours, routes. As you can see, these options are grayed out because this user is not a manager. And now we're going to exit the file and go back so we can do a manager. And the user-specific functions for adding a driver, like the user restrictions, were made by Fabian. Yes. Fabian did those, and he also did the button for driver. He also did the user restriction for removing routes as well as adding tours. John actually did the deleting routes and saving and loading driver information between system uses. He also did the bus's interface. So here, the add and delete bus, that was all John. And the toggle if a bus is available or unavailable was also John. He also did the route interface. And now we're going to go to the manager. And here, we're going to do it again. And it'll pull up here. We're going to register. And we're going to toggle the manager button that Leo did last sprint. And here you can see that you can now select add or delete bus. And Bryce did the add the classes needed to create and manipulate tours. He also created the interface for tours as well, so this. And Leo did the user restriction for adding routes, and he set up the static analysis and fixed file formatting. He went through so many files actually. And he removed the pop-up dialog from user test files so that tests can be run without interaction. And he set up the GitHub's action for continuous integration. Now we're going to check out the build. And as you can see, it is running pretty well. We're just gonna wait till it goes. It has some errors, obviously, but at the end it does build successfully. And here can go to reports. And it passes everything, and here is our sprint as well as our backlog. Oh. And that is our sprint.